Adventure. My name is Jason, and you already met my partner. A senior member of the Sea Life Police Patrol. Her name is Randy. Baby, you're ready? Alright, good morning everybody, and my name is Jason. Well, here at Ocean Adventure, we care about the environment. Even our sea lions want to do their part to protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. They form the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. You're proud to bring the beauty. Smile, smile. Is everyone ready to go? Jason? Yes, we're ready. Right. Now shall we pose how sharp we are? Now, to work in the field, our sea lions is pretty strong and physically fit. That's no problem for Randy because Randy is South American sea lion, not a seal. How can we know? Let's take a look. First, sea lions have big and powerful flippers. How powerful are they? Check this out. Sea lions and flippers work great on the sea lions also use their feet. A lot like a bird uses its wings to fly through the sky. So sea lions also have back flippers that rotate, making moving on land very easy. Alright, ready? Whenever you're ready, show them your back flippers. There you go. Now, still on the other hand, very small flippers. Their back flippers don't rotate on land, they move a little bit funny. Guys, would you like to see Brandy's imitation of a seal? Yes? Now, Brandy, show them a seal. Alright, that's a seal. Now, Brandy, show them how a seal walks. And feel like me, a little bit funny on the hand. Most time with a big round of applause for the great imitation. And since we talk about our flippers, let's put them into action to show you our great
Lupit
and
ng puta.
sila can do. Look at this work. The Marine Patrol always tries to maintain good community relations. Today we have invited a special guest who would like to meet Randy.
Yung ginawa na ni JJ na yun nga yun nga yung tinutukoy ko. Access girl yan. Kainin ka niyan!
Good morning. How's your name? Michelle. Okay, Michelle, are you ready to see Lion? Ready ka na? Okay, step right there.